are so good. I used to grow sweet potato slips by placing the sweet potatoes into a jar of water. I was able to produce slips, but not nearly like I do now. Now I plant the sweet potatoes lengthwise in dirt. As you can see, the soil only comes up a little ways on the sweet potato. Give them a little sunshine and heat, and they will take off. They will grow slips. These are the green leaves. When they get around 5 to 6 inches long, simply snip them off at the base and put them into a cup of water. In about a week, you will have roots growing from the slips. Take these and plant them. Before long, you will have sweet potatoes galore.